Here DC generator can be classified according to the field of field excitation. So here there are two types of DC generators are available. One is separately excited DC generator. Separately excited DC generator. Another one is self-excited DC generator. Self-excited DC generator. Separately excited DC generator means field winding is separately excited by the DC supply. Here DC supply is separately given to the field winding. That is called as a separately excited DC generator. Self-excited DC generator means here the field winding is excited by the armature of the generator. Armature of the that is called as a self-excited DC generator. Okay, so first we see the separately excited DC generator. So here circuit diagram. This is a field winding. Here supply DC supply is given to the field winding. Here the armature. Load is connected across the armature. Here the resistance EG means generated EMF. Then IA, that is armature current. Then current flow through the load, that is represented by IL. Then voltage across the load is represented by V. This is the load. This is circuit diagram of separately excited DC generator. Here field winding, the DC supply is given only to the field winding. Here no supply given to the armature. So that's why it is called as a separately excited DC generator. The voltage, here the voltage equation V is equal to Eg minus Ia into Ra. Eg means that is the EMF generated by the armature. Ia means that is the voltage drop across the resistance. That is armature resistance. We have current flow through the armature resistance. That time have some voltage drop across the resistance. That is